Hey everybody, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of these Fire-Lite BG-10s. Alright, so I got the box flipped upside down here for reasons you may expect. Let's go ahead and dig in. Oh, just all there in a row. Alright. So you can see the first unit. The classic extreme tightening false alarm sticker. You can see the model number right there. Second unit, much of the same. Looks like these are all going to be unlocked, although locked is kind of a excessive term for these with just the Allen key that they take to open. Got a little smudge on this one. Hopefully that'll come out. Alright, let's slide this out of the way. Alright, so there you have it. I will be making some of these available for anybody who may be interested, so stay tuned for a link either in the comments or the description to a eBay listing. Thanks.